While if it has been left only to the government, perhaps things were easy. But there are several issues, and judiciary is very strongly involved in it, and therefore we have to, I mean, the issue has become pretty tricky, as you would appreciate, and therefore it is taking a little longer, but I'm sure sooner than later the solution will be out. Well, I cannot predict that, but I'm saying that the entire mining issue, the entire gamut of issues involving the mining question in Goa are under active consideration at the apex level. And therefore, in a way, it's a work in progress. I understand, but perhaps more patience is required. And as I have said, I know for sure that even the Prime Minister is looking into it, and therefore I would say the solutions will be sooner than later. But I think there is nothing like a division between center and state. Both are, insofar as our approach towards this question is concerned, there is complete unanimity, let me tell you.
बीजेपीन येता त्या लोकसभा वेंचणुकेचो जाहीरनामो करूंक सुरवात केल्या. पक्षान भारत के मन की बात घेवंक सुरवात केल्या. गोंयकारांनी फुडल्या 5 वर्सां खातीर मोदी सरकाराक आपल्यो सुचोवण्यो दिवपाच्यो.
यासाठी देशामध्ये 700पेक्षा अधिक रथ हे आता वेगवेगळ्या गावोगावी जात आहेत, आणि त्याच्याबरोबर आमचे कार्यकर्ते असतील जे लोकांना विनंती करतील की त्यांची जी आशा आकांक्षा आहे त्यांची नव्या येणाऱ्या सरकारकडून, भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या नेतृत्वाखाली होणाऱ्या सरकारकडून जे काही त्यांना अपेक्षित आहे ती अपेक्षा त्यांनी शब्दरूपामध्ये लिहून त्या एका सूचनापत्रकावरती आवश्यक असेल तर आपला तपशील देऊन त्या पेटीमध्ये टाकावी. साधारणतः मार्च महिन्याच्या अखेरीस हे लोकघोषणापत्र तयार होईल, जो भारतीय जनता पार्टीचा 2019च्या लोकसभेसाठीचा जाहीरनामा किंवा मॅनिफेस्टो असेल.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आणि सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार फळारी.